Welcome to CAD 360 tutorial videos. Today in this video we are going to complete exercise 18. Okay, so today we are going to create this 3D model using these dimensions in Fusion 360. Okay, so let's start. So today in this modeling exercise, first we will create the half section of 3D model and then we will revolve it around the central axis, and then we will create these holes by creating a circle. Then we will circular pattern it and then extrude it to cut it from main body. Okay, so let's start. Create a sketch on this plane, then draw a vertical line and then convert it to a normal construction line, and then specify its value length, that is 32 plus 16 plus 24, enter. So it is of 72 in height, and now create a line, okay, of similar length 72 at a distance of 48 by 2. So the dia of this hole is 48, and its inner wall is at 24 distance from this central line. So the radius is 24. So we will make a dimension of 24. Okay, and next thing is we will draw this line, okay, which is 16 in height and 16, and outer dia for this pink profile is 108. Okay, so it is 54 from the central axis, 54, and it is at a distance, at a height of 32 from this bottom. So specify value 30. Okay, now we have to draw a straight line, and draw this straight line. Okay, and this line is 32 from the center line. The dia for this is 64, so the radius will be 32. So the distance between this and this will be 32. Similarly, distance of this one is 32. Now what we have to do is we have to create a line, we have to draw a line from here. Okay, and it is 72. This portion is of 72 dia, means 36 radius. So from center to here it will be 36. Similarly, from here to here, okay, specify its value from center to here is 36. Got it? Now what you have to do is draw a straight line. Okay, draw this straight line and draw it. Its total height from this portion is 24 minus 6, so that is 18. Okay, and in the bottom 32 minus 8, that will be 24. Okay, now the next thing is we have to draw a straight line from this cut upside and from here to downside. Okay, so draw a small upside line, downside line, then create a curve profile here of radius is 4, so there will be 8. Next thing is use coincident constraint. Select this one, select this circle, and then select this point. Okay, next thing is use tangent, circle select, and then select this line, so it will make it tangent to this line and coincident to this point. Okay, so now use trim this unwanted line, and trim this one, trim this one. Okay, so Similarly, create another circle here of dia 8. Next thing is use coincident constraint. Select this one, select this point, use tangent circle, and then select this line to make it tangent to this line. Now use trim, shortcut T, and then trim it. Okay, convert this dimension to radius, that is 4. So this is 4. Also convert it to radius, it is 4. Now check the dimension from here to here, it is 6. Okay, so it is 6, and from here to here it is 8. Okay, so 8. Now what we have to do next is we have to create a chamfer from this point and this point. You can do it in sketch, or you can do it in 3D modeling also. So we are creating it here. Chamfer, equidistance, select this point and select this point. So the equidistance means it will cut in both direction same distance. Okay, so the distance is 4 at 45 degree ascent. Now click on finish sketch. We have here our profile, half section at a distance this central axis. Click on home button, click on revolve, select the plane, select the profile, select the axis which is here, and extend type full means you want to revolve it completely and create a new body. Click on this OK. Okay, so here we have our 3D model. Next thing is we have to create holes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 holes of dia 8, okay, at equidistance to each other on this plane. Okay, so sketch, select the plane. Since it is on its horizontal axis, so hover over this point and then create anywhere dia 8. Now make it constant. Okay, so it is horizontally aligned to this point. Next thing is the distance between this point and this point. Center point for this circle and the center point for this axis is 88 by 2. So specify value 88 by 2, that is 44. Now we made a 88 by 2. Okay. Next thing is we are going to use circular pattern. Select the object, select the point, select the point. Distribution is full and the quantity will be 6. So type 6 and then OK. Next thing is exit from the finish sketch sketch environment, then select the extrude, select the close profile one by one, or then drag it outside to cut from in body. Okay, here it is, your cutout portion from this. So similarly you can draw same model with same dimension by using another method. It is possible in Fusion 360. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thank you.
If you enjoyed this lesson and want to practice more Fusion 360 exercises, check out our Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook with 500 plus practice exercises. This is the Autodesk Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook, designed to help you master Fusion 360 through practice. Inside, you'll get 200 2D sketching exercises, 200 3D modeling exercises, and multi-part assembly projects to build real-world design skills. Plus, you'll also receive 200 native Fusion 360 3D exercises, .f3D files, and all assembly models in .stp format. To get your free sample PDF or purchase the complete Fusion 360 all-in-one workbook, check the link in the description below. You can buy it directly from Caden360.com website or on Amazon. Start practicing today and take your Fusion 360 skills to the next level.